Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to set or change your Steam profile settings to private. So if you do not want to people to see some various settings and options on your Steam profile, I show you guys how to change your Steam settings. Let's jump straight into it guys. Open up Steam, click on Steam tab and select settings. Click on privacy settings. Here are the various options listed over here guys. My basic details and my profile, game details. You can set this variation to whatever you want it. Select the drop down and select it guys. My profile, if you want to set profile to private, click on this drop down and select private guys, and that all you have to do it guys. This is the option. You want to change it, click on this to public or friends only. You can change it whatever you want it, and that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.